In this video, I'll show you how to upload story on Telegram. It's going to be a full guide video. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Telegram, click on the chat, click on this plus icon. You're going to be able to see this option, right? So what I need to do now, you can either click the photo or the video. So I'm going to click on the photo, and if you click on the photo, you're going to be able to see a whole lot of different photos, pictures and videos on your gallery. So I'm going to select one of mine now, and I'm going to show you how I'm going to be able to do this. Okay, so I just selected one of these, my previous video I just made. So what I need to do now, once you have chosen the video or the photo you want to post, what you need to do, click on this next. Then you're going to be able to see all these options. You're going to be able to see who can view the story. So you're going to be able to see, you can allow screenshots, you can post your profile. You can also choose a story cover if you want. So once you're done, click on that post story. You can be able to upload story on Telegram. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next video.